To unpair a Schlage Z-Wave lock from a WinCap 2, we open our Wink app on our mobile device. We tap on the settings icon at the right top. We tap on the thing which is associated with our Schlage Z-Wave lock, which in my case is door. We scroll down and tap on remove this lock. We tap on remove. We tap on next. 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 We tap on disconnect now. We proceed by pressing on the Schlage button, followed by the unique programming code which you'll find on your product manual. And we finish by tapping on 0. The Wink app will show a confirmation message that the device has been successfully removed from Wink. We tap on next. We have hereby successfully unpaired the Schlage Z-Wave lock from a WinCap 2.